Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning to one and all. We are back on page number 75 of the lesson 3.4, how the first letter was written by Rudyard Kipling. I've already explained to you that mother, father and daughter, mother as at home in the cave itself, and then the father and daughter, they go for fishing where the sphere is broken without getting a catch of the fish also. Then a stranger man comes in and Taffy starts speaking to the stranger man and starts viewing and talking and chatting with him, whereas the Tegumai, the father, is busy in repairing the sphere which is already broken up in that case. So let's continue with what is going on. Oh, she said, now I see you want my mummy's living address. Obviously, anyone wants to supply anything or deliver anything to a particular person can be given in that particular way, that it can be sent in such a particular way by giving a particular address through the courier service or the postal service. Of course, I can't write, but I can draw pictures if I have anything sharp to scratch with. Please lend me the shark tooth of your neck. That means the necklace you are wearing, you can see in the picture, page 75, there is a shark tooth in it. The child is telling that I don't know to write anything, but I know how to draw. So if I can use your shark tooth necklace, tooth from your necklace and draw pictures using the bark of a tree, and then you can understand and give the message forward to my mummy. The stranger man, and he was a Tewara, didn't say anything, so Taffy put up her little hand and pulled at the beautiful bead and seed and shark tooth necklace round his neck. That means the Tewara was wearing the necklace. With whatever was in the necklace, she pulled out the tooth of the shark from the necklace and used it as whatever she wanted to do on that piece of bark. The stranger man, as he was a Trivara, thought this is a very, very, very wonderful child, and with a really good child. The shark tooth on my necklace is a magic shark tooth, and I was always told that if anybody touched it without my leave means permission. Leave here means permission. Leave here means permission. It does not mean to go somewhere. Leave. L-E-A-V-E, leave means permission. It's very important to understand the meaning of every word, because the meaning changes according to the statement, according to the subject. It's very important to understand the meaning, learn the meaning in accordance with the sentence as and when it is used. They would immediately swell up or burst, but this child doesn't swell or burst, and that's important, chief. Man who attends strictly to his business, who has not yet taken any notice of me at all, doesn't seem to be afraid that she will swell up or burst. I had better be more polite. That means here the stranger man is thinking, because they both cannot communicate with each other. The stranger man along with the child and that of Tegumai also. Actually, what the blind faith was, what the superstition was, what the thinking was of the stranger man, that if anyone touched that shark tooth, which was a necklace around his neck, would either blast off or burst off, and would, because it had magical influence on it. But nothing happened to the child. That means this magical influence was totally incorrect, totally fiction, totally fantasy. There was no such thing as this was done in a particular way. So he gave Taffy the shark tooth, and she lay down flat on her tummy with her legs in the air, like some people do on the drawing room. Obviously, when a small child, or if you think of your own earlier bygones. When you were given some drawing work, you obviously lie down on your tummy. This is your tummy. You would put yourself upside down, and your legs would always be moving up and down in the air. That was the position of what Taffy was doing to draw that particular message to be given to her mummy. Now I'll draw you some beautiful pictures. You can look over my shoulders, but you mustn't joggle. Joggle means disturb. Joggle means disturb. No, do not be suddenly jerky movement. The way joggle means don't shake me, don't make me move, so that if I make incorrect pictures, it will create a problem for you to understand the picture itself. Don't disturb me, don't shift me, don't shake me, don't give me any sudden movements or jerk me at all in such a particular manner. First I'll draw daddy fishing. That means she said she'll draw daddy fishing out there. It isn't very much like him, but mummy will know, because I've drawn the sphere, his sphere all broken. Well, now I'll draw the other sphere that he wants, the black handled sphere. It looks as if it was sticking in daddy's back, but that's because the shark tooth slipped and this piece of bark isn't big enough that the sphere I want you to fetch. So I'll draw a picture of myself. Explaining means explaining. It should be explaing, but it is written as explaining with an apostrophe comma on top. It means the alphabet is missing. It should be explaining. Explaining. My hair doesn't stand up like I've drawn, but it's easier to draw that way. Now I'll draw you. I think you're very kind, you're very nice really, but I can't make you pretty in the picture, so you mustn't be offended. Offended means offended. You must not be offended, must not feel bad. Earlier the word was given as explaining, right? It's not explaining, but it should be explaining. Explaing. That is explaining. And again you got the word fended. Fended. It is not fended, but it is comma is there, comma is here. It should be offended. 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 It is in that particular manner. Understanding? I hope you are getting what I am trying to explain to you, so that you can understand it a much better manner when you read the lesson from your textbook, page number 76, 75, 74, 73, forward and backward. The stranger man, as he was a Tiwara, smiled giving a blush on the face. The stranger man, as he was a Tiwara, smiled. He thought there must be a big battle going to be fought somewhere, and this extraordinary child who takes my magic shark tooth but who does not swell or burst up is telling me to call all the great chiefs tribe to help him. He is a great chief, or he would have noticed me. Now the interpretation of the letter what Taffy drew. What did Taffy draw? Taffy drew the father, the broken spear, and the spear which is hanging over the fireplace, and herself with standing hair, and the stranger man also. And apart from that, if you look at the picture on page number 77, you can see that Taffy is shown out there by your, what do you call it, standing hair. There are small bubbles out there, small dots out there, which shows you that the beaver swamp is out there. Then you can see that there is a person who's holding a sphere in his hand, and there's another person with a sphere which is showing you broken sphere. It's showing you that the sphere is broken. That is supposed to be daddy. But here, what does the stranger man understand? That what is Taffy trying to say is totally different from what the stranger man understands. And once the stranger man moves with that particular letter, with that particular message, he moves out to the lady to find who the lady is standing outside the cave. He recognizes her and then gives the letter to her. And what happens after that, I'll explain to you as and when it comes, so that you understand it in a much better manner. Now the stranger man took it as what? He took it as because the shark tooth that was told to him is of magical spell, and in that way it will be effective, and the girl should blast off, should burst off and should die. But it does not happen so. That means the girl must be a special child, and the chief and the Tegumai who was standing over there is the chief of the tribe, and therefore he is preparing for another war to come up in a few minutes or few days in coming. But it is not such so. There was just misunderstanding, a misinterpretation of the same letter done by Taffy and understood by the stranger man, and again a misinterpretation will be taken place by the mother of the child, of the girl child, that is of Taffy, when she reads the same letter. Looks at Taffy, drawing very hard and rather sketchily. Now I have drawn you, I have put the spear that daddy wants into your hand just to remind you that you are to bring it back. Now I will show you how to find my mother's living areas. You go along till you come to two trees, those are the trees, and then when she is explaining what the letter is, that the letter she has drawn. She has drawn, if you can see, there are two trees. You have to go follow the same route. You will find two trees on the way, and then the two trees are drawn out there. Then you will find the beaver swamp. You can see the small heads, many small heads out there. Those are the beaver heads, full of beavers. I have put you all over the beavers because I can't draw beavers. And then I draw only. She has drawn only the head of the beavers in that case. Mind you, don't fall in that. Then our cave is just beyond the beaver swamp. That means be careful. The beaver swamps are there. The beavers are ready to catch you and eat you up, and if you fall in the swamp, then you will not be able to complete my work in such a manner. And in that way, you will fall in the swamp and not reach my home. So as beaver swamp finishes, you will reach my house, and my mummy will be standing outside. You will recognize her immediately because she looks more or less like me itself. That's my mummy outside. She is beautiful. She is the most beautifulest mummy there ever was, but she won't be offended. Offended means offended when she sees I have drawn her so plain. And means the mama is also drawn out here, standing at the outside the cave. You can see the cave out there in the picture, page number 77. There's a picture out here where you can see the cave. You can see outside the cave there's a lady standing, then a man with a broken spear, that is daddy. Next to daddy there's Taffy, and next to Taffy there is the stranger man with another spear, which he has to bring back from the home, from the cave, which is hanging over the fireplace in that way. So you understood it. The child says to the stranger man. Now the stranger man, as he was a Trivar, looked at the picture and nodded very hard. He said to himself, if I do not fetch this great chief's tribe to help, he will be slain. Slain means killed, obviously merciless killing. But what does he understand? He is seeing that the chief is there, and there are many other chiefs who are there in the tribal area, and there are many other enemies who are bobbing their heads out, which are supposed to be acting as a beaver actually, according to Taffy. But according to the stranger man, what is he thinking? There are many people hiding in the jungle, in the forest, and they are ready to attack the chief, and the message has to be given to the other chief of the other tribal people so that they can come and attack those people who are hiding in the jungle itself for the chief, as the chief is in danger. Otherwise he will be slain. Slain, I have given the meaning of slain, if I am not mistaken. Yes, slain, killed mercilessly, by his enemies who are coming up on all sides with fear. Now I see why the great chief pretended not to notice me. He feared that his enemies were hiding in the bushes and would see him. Therefore he turned to me his back, and lest the wise, wonderful child draw the terrible picture showing me his difficulties, I will always I will away means I will immediately go and get help. And get help for him from his tribe. Tribe means the people. He did not even ask Taffy the road, but raced off into the bushes like the wind with the birch bark in his hand, and Taffy sat down most pleased. That means now the stranger man has taken the letter, which is incorrectly interpreted from the child to the stranger man, and now the stranger man is going to give the same letter to the lady of the house who is standing at the cave. Any doubts, any queries, any problems, you are most welcome to ask me. You can chat me on WhatsApp, you can chat me with me on Telegram, and yet I shall be giving you all the replies as and when I get time conveniency with me. Remember to give your complete detail and write the complete question or your doubt, your query, your problem. Jazakallah wa ma alayna illa al-balagh. Assalamu alaikum. Khuda hafiz.